No one is calling it like us, guys, because alt season is literally around the corner now. I wasn't going to make a second video about altcoins today, but narratives are popping out of nowhere, like whack-a-mole, right? So that's what usually happens to ignite what? Any type of narrative, guys. Again, things are getting pretty interesting here, guys. The next couple of months may get extremely, not just exciting, no, extremely exciting, especially for XRP, because Credible Crypto tweets out, yes, I'm telling you, there's a chance for Bitcoin, guys, right? Obviously, if Bitcoin pumps, our altcoins will as well. That's fascinating how the altcoin narratives are starting to ramp up. Why? Because I stated in this final leg for Bitcoin, this is where XRP and every other altcoin, your meme coins and S coins, will explode to the highest degree. Right, 10x's, 100x's plus, if not 1000x plus, guys. Right, so things are going to get crazy here, it seems as. But right now, supposedly Bitcoin is slightly pumping, guys. I need them to calm down, right? Bring it back down a little bit, so I could get in a. Well, I was thinking to okay, so I'm gonna be transparent, guys. Since I'm not in any trades right now, I was thinking to myself, should I honestly get into a Bitcoin long, right? And then when Bitcoin's like around 90k or whatnot, guys, transfer it back to XRP. Right, the amount of money I made from that, from Bitcoin going up, because we do know that whenever Bitcoin rampages like this, guys, right, if this happens, we're talking about 150k by literally September, by the way. If that happens, liquidity from the altcoins will probably flow to Bitcoin, right, a little bit, nothing too crazy, guys, but it's like Bitcoin taking the lead, and then the money will flow back to altcoins then after, right? So either way, altcoins will pump, guys, but I don't know, I guess I'll think about it, but I don't think that's a good idea for me to do, is because Bitcoin versus, I mean not Bitcoin, but XRP versus its Bitcoin pairing, it's at its bottom, right? The lowest level ever, guys. So I think I'll just stick to XRP. But if this happens, guys, we got confirmed, because we were the only people to say it first, right? That whenever they cut rates, probably right here, guys, they're going to cut rates. I think September. That's when the market tops. But where will Bitcoin be at that point? Here, or here, guys, right? Because altcoins will then after explode, guys. But wow, that's if this happens, guys, insanity is about to ensue. So that's for Bitcoin. We got the king out the way. Okay, it seems like it's a check mark, guys, but I'm hoping they don't blast it off right now. Just dump it a little bit more. I need to get in, guys, because it seems like the markets are about to get exciting again, right? So not for Bitcoin. I'm talking about an XRP leverage long. Because of this, the narratives for altcoins are popping out of nowhere. How? Right? Nobody would have guessed, because people are calling for 2025. They're going to be filing for a Solana ETF in the year 2025, an XRP ETF in the year 2025. I said no. It's probably going to happen this year, right? Because the altcoin narrative altcoin season is upon us. And look how we got confirmed. Justin, 21 shares officially files for spot Solana ETF. Guess what? Usually the majority are wrong, right? And everyone's calling for 2025. This will happen. No, it's literally happening now. What is this? Right, another institution, 21 shares, guys, officially files for a spot Solana ETF. What is that? XRP is nowhere to be seen, by the way, right? Wow, this is crazy, guys, right? Honestly, should I buy some Solana? Guys, Solana is a it's most definitely an S coin, but S coins can make you rich, right? Most definitely. The reason why this will 100% pump is because it's VC manipulated, right? Venture capitalist controlled, guys, right? So they're going to be flowing their money in, especially fuel to the fire. Add this on top of that, guys, right? On top of the other narratives. So this is 100% all season, because if Ethereum ETF goes live next week, then we got this incoming as well, guys, right? This is all pertaining towards alt season. Now, whoa, now this is interesting. She passed on Ethereum ARK Invest, guys, but instead pursuing Solana. I think I've lost. Wow, that's insane. Look at that. ARK Invest in 21 shares, right? Interesting. Weird, if you ask me, but no matter what it may be, guys, it's good for every altcoin out there, because this is another check mark for alt season, right? So we should be happy in the end, and I'm extremely happy. Actually, I'm extremely excited, guys. So let's talk about it. Again, I wasn't going to be talking about altcoins for another video right after the previous one, guys, yesterday, but we have to because, again, news are coming out of nowhere suddenly, right? That's what usually happens, expect the unexpected. But 21 Shares has officially filed for a spot Solana ETF. Indeed, the spot Bitcoin ETF issuer filed a new crypto-based ETF with the SEC Friday. The filing is the second Solana ETF application made this week. XRP is nowhere to be seen. Where is XRP? How? It doesn't make sense to me. Right? I was thinking not so much in an ETF where XRP will explode its price, guys. Yes, rumors will, right? Speculation will not, but more so we need the case to conclude, and I'm guessing it's going to conclude in the next couple of months as the lawyers have stated, right? Speculated, and Brad Garlinghouse as well towards the end of summer, or by the end of summer. Now, again, September is by the end of summer, right? Think. This Bitcoin chart head towards where? When? September. Weird, if you ask me. So, right, so if VanEck already did one for Solana, guys, now it's 21 shares. Insane, right? An ETF. So a report from GSR shows that Solana is the token most likely to get the next investment offering. Earlier this year, both Bitcoin and Ethereum were greenlit for exchange traded products. Guess what? Bitcoin did what? A 2x, right? 3x from the ETF going live, guys. Ethereum, what is that? So Ethereum is more volatile, right? You need less money to push prices up because there's less liquidity. So what for Ethereum 6x, right? Not 6. I feel like a 5x, right? A 3, 4x easily, in my opinion, guys. So yeah. Now for Solana, it's even crazier. It's like a 10x, right? That's what they speculated, guys. Now for XRP, it's even going to be crazier, probably 15x, right? But depends, because it depends on how much money flows into each ETF for each of these coins. No matter what, though, this is a huge check mark because this comes out for pertains towards alt season, right? So this is really good, guys, because everything will rise, it seems as. So with the market anxiously awaiting which crypto could be next, right? So guys, this is crazy. Wow. We believe that the regulatory landscape is shifting. It definitely is, right? And soon the Ripple versus SEC case is about to conclude, right? And they're going to come out with an XRP one, guys. So, wow, the firm said Solana outpaced the next closest digital asset by a large margin and was the only other besides Ethereum to have positive scores for both decentralization and demand. What? Are you serious? Solana is definitely not decentralized. It's literally centralized, right? Look at the investors, guys. But let us not FUD it too much because it's very beautiful for alt season narrative. But now, supposedly, wait a minute, from Altcoin Daily, what's happening? Chainlink ETF is next via coin. No way, guys. If this happens, I'm done. Everyone else is getting an ETF supposedly except XRP. So CFTC regulation, certification, listing of Chainlink futures contract. Right, maybe on track for an ETF after Solana, guys. But no, why? All we need is rumors, though, of these things happening, right? More fuel to the fire of altcoin season narrative. The order of interest at the current moment that is driving ETF filings: Bitcoin is first, Ethereum is second, Solana is third, XRP is fourth. Look at that, right? So based on the accumulation data from institutional investors own cryptocurrencies that can use USD stablecoins, and then the XRP ledger will soon have its own USD stablecoin, guys. Wow, look at that, right? Which types of cryptocurrency is your firm allocated to currently? First is Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then Solana, then XRP. So it seems like it's confirmed that XRP will be next, guys. Wow, interesting. Now we know retail isn't doing S, guys, right? It isn't moving markets or anything because retail is no longer driving the markets. Institutions are driving the market, guys, right? Institutions are driving the market, as we can see right here, because it suggests that institutions have been driving the rally as is often the case in the early stages of bull markets. Wow, isn't that weird? Because guys, the ending phase of a bull market, or at least the mid-cycle top, guys, that's when retail drives prices and we become their extra liquidity. No, not anymore, guys, right? As soon as I see this all season appear, towards the tail end, I'm out. Hedging 100% in case of a recession. Even with XRP, probably 33% sold, we're going to sell, and then keep the rest. But every other coin I own, such as XCC, 100% gone from my portfolio, guys. It's just because I love XRP and I know the end game, so I'm going to be holding that. Now, as the correlation with other asset classes reverted to its low historic norms. We know AI drives bull markets though. So here's the game plan, guys, from Ash Crypto. Bitcoin is 25% away from the new all-time high, right? Altcoins are 100% away from their previous all-time high. Look at that. We got Bitcoin here, previous all-time high. Altcoins, nowhere to be seen. Literally nowhere to be seen. Altcoins will have to make an extra 100% pump to match its previous all-time high. Look at that. An extra 100%. That means an extra 100% for a whole portfolio, guys, because that means this is the overall market, right? This is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's only previous all-time highs, by the way, because if Bitcoin, which I do believe Bitcoin will create another all-time high, a new one, right, uncharted waters, and altcoins will follow as well, right? So the previous one was around $1 trillion, it seems. No, this one's probably going to a couple trillion before it ends. Right. That's alt season, guys. So, despite numerous narratives like real-world assets, AI, and meme coins, the majority of alts have still underperformed Bitcoin. But this will soon change. Change soon, guys. Alts are going to have their biggest rally in the next 12 to 18 months. I think in the next couple of months max. Right? Because look, it's already beginning. The ETFs, guys. The ETFs narrative. And I think it's going to come back down during that recession. We're going to go higher in the year 2025, demonically higher. Now, Ethereum ETF trading. The Ethereum ETF will start trading in the first week of July and will bring institutional money into Ethereum. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go. Many analysts are predicting $10 to $15 billion of inflows by Q4 of 2025. Wow, that's literally right at the recession, it seems as, right? Which is enough to buy 25% of the existing supply of Ethereum on exchanges. 2. More ETF approval. Yesterday, VanEck applied for a Solana ETF, and today 21 shares applied for it as well. But this just a start because more will be coming in, guys, right? All this institutional money, which drove Bitcoin's price to previous all-time highs, it will drive our altcoins to new all-time highs as well. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited, please. By the bull run peak, there could be more ETF approvals, which will give altcoins exposure to $100 trillion plus of institutional money. And then we got other narratives such as real-world assets, AIs, right? NFTs, gaming, guys, everything. Right? Everything. And remember, XRP is part of that RWA narrative, right? Real-world assets, guys. Bringing them onto the blockchain is the XRP ledger. So there's literally no stopping it, right? That's the case, guys. I'm so excited for the future, especially these next couple of months, because it seems like we're slowly bottoming out, right? I'm hoping for a slight dump a little bit so I can long right here, and then we start moving up, guys, right? I don't know about anybody else, but I'm truly ready. Let us prepare for this grand mid-cycle point before we crash lower and we go higher next year. Now, financial advice, I'm ready. Are you? What is this? See ya.